bubbles. And that's about the last thing we want when we're installing a screen protector. So I recommend you purchase a higher quality microfiber cloth, and that's just going to help a lot. But if all you have is the one included, then it should get the job done. And I'll show you later on how you can remove some of those small fibers when you're installing the screen protector. So with that being said, let's go ahead and continue on with the video. So kicking things off, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure your hands are washed. That's going to make sure you don't get any smudges or stuff like that on your screen, and it's going to help a lot later on down the line when you're trying to install your screen protector. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and grab your microfiber cloth, which I have here, and you want to go ahead and clean off your device's screen. Now some of these screen protectors come with wet wipes, which definitely help to get some of that grease and ground in dirt off your screen, but really any microfiber cloth will do the job. But you want to get it as clean as you possibly can, because this is going to determine how well the screen protector adheres to your device, and it's basically going to determine if you have any bubbles or not. So once your phone is nice and clean, you want to grab your screen protector, which I have right here. And by the way guys, I paid about $2 for this screen protector off eBay. So as you can probably tell, you don't have to have a super expensive screen protector to do this. It doesn't really matter. This will work just as well with a $2 screen protector as it would with a $20 one, so it really doesn't matter. But the first thing you want to do is grab your screen protector and just clean off the area where you're going to be working. It'll just help to make it easier to see what you're doing. So once you've got your area cleaned off, you're just going to need your screen protector and the tape. Now this is where it actually gets interesting. What you want to do is you actually want to take the side that has this sticker facing up, which is basically the side that's going to be adhering to your device's screen, and you want to put it face down on your device's screen. Once you've done that, take a piece of tape about the length of the screen protector, break it off, and you basically just want to line it up with the edge of the screen protector. Now make sure about half of it is actually on the screen protector. And once you do that, just tape it down to the screen protector. Once you've done that, this is the step that really is the most important step in the entire process. You just want to make sure you get everything lined up. And once you have everything just about lined up, now this can take a minute, so just take your time, and it's a little bit tricky to do it on camera. But once you've gotten it lined up, you just want to tape down the other side of the tape to your device. Now this is going to create a hinge, and this is going to make it a whole lot easier when you're installing your screen protector. Now if you mess up a little bit, you can just peel it right off. It's very easy, just like that. And just take all the time you really need, because this is basically the most important step. So just try as many times as you need to get it just right. So once you get it perfectly lined up, it's going to create this little hinge right here, and this is what's going to make it super easy to apply the screen protector. So once you've got that lined up, you want to open up the screen protector, this little screen protector hinge right here, and you want to clean your device one more time. Now this is the last time you're going to be cleaning your device before you actually apply the screen protector, so it's important you get all the stuff off here and make sure you get all the dust. And if you're using a very cheap microfiber cloth, I would recommend using one of the included dust absorber tape things. You can also just use a piece of tape, just crumple up a piece of tape and stick it to the screen, and that'll also work. But I'm just going to take this right here, and this is going to help as well. And you can just basically try and get up every little piece of dust you possibly can, because it's really the dust that causes those air bubbles. So you really want to get up as much dust as you can. So once you've gotten up as much dust as you can, you want to go ahead and peel back this tab right here. And at this point, it's as simple as just dropping down the screen protector. And since we already aligned it, it will automatically align itself. Just kind of try and press out all the air out of the screen protector. You are going to have some bubbles, obviously, but those easily can come out with just a credit card or something like that. Anything stiff that you can use to press out those bubbles will work. So at this point, you can go ahead and peel off that tape. Now it may break as it just did right here, so you just want to try and get up all that tape. And once you've gotten up all that tape, go ahead and grab the card that came with your screen protector. Now for some reason mine didn't come with the screen protector. I guess that's maybe a downside of buying a $2 one. But I do have this Steam card laying around, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this. And you just want to kind of go from one edge and push it out to the nearest corner of your device's screen. Some of these will actually just kind of go out on their own, but you will have to push most of them out. So just put a little bit of pressure on your screen. It's not going to hurt your screen. Just try and get those bubbles out. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a few minutes and try and push out some of these bubbles. So it's been about 1 to 2 minutes and I finished pushing out all of the air bubbles, and from what I can tell, it seems to look pretty good. Now I'm very happy with the result. As you can tell, it's almost perfectly lined up. In fact, I think it would have been almost impossible to get it any better than this. So I'm pretty happy with the end result here. But from past experience, this method has worked best for me just to help me line it up. And it's almost a foolproof way to install a screen protector, which is why I'm going to recommend it to you guys to try it out. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Let me know how your installation went. Let me know if it worked out for you. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.